Hello mga ka-YouTuber, welcome to my channel. Again, I'm here with our company's grader. This grader is a 14M. Okay, this grader is arrived last yesterday here in our garage. So they reported there is a problem on the steering and the transmission. The transmission, based on the operator report, it is not engaging, or sometimes the transmission is it is not functioning forward and reverse. Okay, this grader is fully electronics. So now I'm here observing and testing the machine, how the problem is showing. So this grader now is already started. So as you can see, this machine is a 14M Caterpillar grader. This is a fully electronic controlled. Okay, so the problem is transmission, or etching pedal sensor. Okay, as you can see, there's a warning, or a red light warning, or a indicator showing on the dashboard. Okay, steering, so steering and transmission. So also the parking is engaged because of that error. So in this problem, how is it happen? And then I will show you how this grader is running. Even that indicator is showing steering, the shovel is still engaging one up to 3 gear. Okay, I will show you how. So for me to find out how to solve the problem. Okay, as you can see, second gear, I will engage to third gear. It is engaging. Okay, and then the fourth gear, as you can see, no any changes while on running, but still the transmission is changing the number, but the running is still the same as a third gear only. See, even sixth gear, the same. There's nothing changes on the speed. Okay, now that problem, I will make a temporary solution just to find out that's the exact problem. Okay, even the reverse, must be the reverse is changing normally. Okay, this is the changing position of the gear. Okay, is up and lower. Okay, when I press this, it will change number 3. So you can see number 3, and then again I press up, it will come number 4, but no changes on the speed. The speed is still the same as only third gear. Okay, so even the steering is showing on the monitor is a steering malfunction. So nothing changes. See, change number 5, number 6, no speed changer. Okay, now I will show to all of you the temporary solution. Now I've seen a problem. Okay, as you can see, okay, the light is showing, but when I press the clutch or push my leg, okay, little, the gear indicator is gone. Okay, so you can see, little bit press see, I press like that. See, the gear is gone. But if I return it to normal, I remove my foot, see the gear indicator still there, it is showing. But when I press little, the gear indicator warning is gone. Okay, now I have a temporary solution. Maybe this solution also it will take long. Okay, because this already I opened that already test the process that I have done. So I will show you to everyone. If I will show to everyone that if you encounter at this type of problem, so this is the temporary solution. Okay, just take a look at. Now I already removed. There is a two screw. I already removed one screw inside. So as a temporary solution, this bolt I will make it loose. Okay, as you can see, loose, and then I will little bit press it forward. Oh, no, 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 backward. Okay, see, backward. As you can see, hello everyone. Look at look at the dashboard. There's no showing gear light. Okay, you know this sensor, what we call this is a etching pedal sensor. This etching pedal sensor. Okay, now I will tire it just to give that sensor in not moving or not not moving once the pedal I push by my foot to use the clutch. Okay, this is just a temporary, maybe we can be permanent. If anyone we encountered or any of my listener or viewer of my video, sorry about my English, but I hope that everyone will understand it. So you try this process procedure that I have make. Okay, as you can see now, I will try to put engage that I'm engaged is automatically engaged gear number 2, but you can reduce by pressing this button. Okay, see, number 2. So because I press this down button, so it will reduce or it will count number 1 or reduce number 1. See, I press number 2, up upper direction of button, it will change the number 2 again, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. Okay, now we're going to forward. Okay, slowly we release slowly release the clutch. Okay, then as you can see, number 2, number 3, and number 4. See, engaging completely. Number 5. Okay, until number 7, it will completely engage. You know what happened? This etching pedal, it is controlling the transmission. It is controlling the transmission. Okay, that's the purpose of this sensor of etching pedal. So because the sign of warning of gear, the it is already gone, so the gear engagement is completely good. So okay, I will steady in the straight position. Second gear, third gear, and fourth gear. See, all the gear engagement is okay. Okay, but only the problem right now, it is on the steering. So that's the next step that I have to make the solution. Okay, but now The gear is temporary good. Maybe it will take long, so I have to observe and testing it for how many minutes or for 1 hour. Maybe there's nothing changes, so this remedy, it will take temporary, maybe become permanent. Okay, again we're testing it. See, the speed is changing faster. This grader is good. This the transmission, the gear changer is around 8 gear speed. 8 gear speed, as you can see. Okay, as we can see right now. Okay, I will change it. Number 3, and again number 4, and again change to number 5. Becoming more speed. I have to push the brake little to reduce the speed. Okay. Okay. I would like to share this video for everyone, to all of my listeners. Maybe you have the type of this grader in your company, so maybe this video can help you. Okay, as a temporary solution, maybe it can be also permanent until the sensor is totally useful or unuseful or damaged. Okay, the aging pedal, you can find that aging, you can find that the aging pedal there at the clutch pedal. See, this is the clutch pedal. So where is the joint or the mounting? There, this is the aging pedal. So you have to remove this cover from there. This is the cover. Okay, this cover, they have a 4 screw. They have a 4 screw. Okay, so you can see 1, 2, and one of this side, one the other side. Okay, so what you do right now, I hope that this video, uh, it can be help for anyone while facing this type of problem. Okay, again, thank you for watching. And then I would like to request to everyone that following my video, or that someone will not it is not seeing right now my video. So can you please, first time to see my video, visit my channel, can you please subscribe my channel? Okay, subscribe, and if you think that this video is helpful, so please subscribe and share it to everyone. Okay, so in this problem, I think for temporary, if you just try this type of solution, so you don't need to call a technician of Caterpillar, because uh, by calling up them, by calling the Caterpillar technician, it is a very expensive process. Okay, but in this way of process of my remedy, I think it will take long once this one become is successful. For now, I already tested for more than 30 minutes or 1 hour, less than 1 hour right now. So, but as you can see, everything is good. Okay, bye bye. Thanks for watching.